In this video, I'd like to give you a quick demonstration on how you can use some of the AI tools out there to analyze your data, which will save you a bunch of time in Excel. So what I have on the screen, the specific opportunity that we're going to analyze just for this demo is we are going to determine the discount opportunity that this company had by paying invoices early, but the opportunities that they did not take. We'll also see where the best opportunity was. The data you see on the screen is sample invoice data. So each row is one invoice record. We have a unique accounts payable ID. We have what the supplier or vendor was. We have the invoice date, the due date, the amount for the invoice. We have a status, so if it's open, this invoice has not yet been paid, and you can see some of the ones in blue have been paid. So this is a mixed data set, and we are actually going to use AI to assess all of the paid ones without having to manually take out the ones that are open. For invoices that have been paid, we've recorded the date on which it was paid, and again, this is an extraction from a system. And then discount terms. So sometimes suppliers will give you a discount for paying an invoice early. If that is the case, they tell you what the terms are for paying early. So if we just look at this first record, this tells us that the invoice is due 45 days from the invoice date, but you will receive a 1% discount if you pay it within the first 15 days. All right, so we've got our discount percent, that matches the 1, and then a discount days, it has to be within 15. We calculate whether it was paid early, how many days it was paid early to see whether we're within the window, and we see whether a discount was taken by this company. If it was, we calculate the actual payment made. So they took the discount, so they paid a reduced amount, because you can see this is $32.65, and the invoice was actually $32.98. For ones that they don't pay with a discount, obviously you're paying the full amount. For ones that were paid early, there's a calculation already in here that has the savings amount. And then in the last column, it's really just the quick calculation for an annualized return on investment percent. So you can use multiple AI tools. I'm just going to pop over and head over to Grok. Now, obviously, one of the first things that I have to do is provide my data sheet to Grok. I'm also going to give it the very first prompt. I'm going to tell it to analyze the attached accounts payable file and tell it to focus on the invoice detail sheet, so just the tab where I have my data, because I have more than one tab. So we've popped in our data. Here's our prompt. It's all in one input window, and we'll ask Grok to analyze. So if we take a look at the output that came back from Grok, so it knows that our sheet contains about 800 invoices. It's got the total amount that we've paid. It's got the total savings from discounts, so $15,000 to $20,000. And it's got a status breakdown, so the majority of records are paid, and it shows that there's a significant portion still outstanding. It knows that we have several vendors in our file, and for each one of those, it knows what the terms are. It detects that we have missed opportunities. So many of the open invoices are still active and within the discount window. And some of the paid ones without a discount were paid exactly on or after the discount day requirement. So that's a missed opportunity there. It's provided that capturing the 1% or 2% discounts consistently delivers strong annualized returns, and that is essentially, it looks like about 20% plus, so far better than anything that you could get from a short-term investment. It detects some patterns within our vendors. So for Blueprints, it says that one has the highest volume of successful 1% discounts and highest ROI. Fast Travel has a 2% discount, so that's pretty attractive, but it actually tells you that you've taken that less often. So that's a good candidate for tighter payment discipline and obviously greater savings. ABC Supplies, so that's a low discount, 0.5%, which would yield a modest ROI of 6%. It actually passes back to us some practical recommendations. prioritizing early payments, monitor open invoices, improve discount capture rate, cash flow impact, reporting ideas. Now, a lot of that is fairly general, so let's see what else we can also get from this. So what I'm going to give it now is a more specific prompt. So I'm actually telling it to calculate and summarize the total captured savings, total missed opportunities, number of invoices paid with available discounts that were missed, and a breakdown by supplier. And I'm actually telling it to present this information back to me in clean markdown tables, because you can see when we did this first prompt, you get a lot of text back. Okay, so in this example, I asked Grok for a quick answer since these calculations are probably pretty simple. So it provides us back an overall summary. So total captured savings, about 4,128, identifies how much of a missed potential savings, and the number of paid invoices with missed discounts, meaning the invoice was paid outside of the early payment window. We also get a summary by supplier to see which suppliers did we do better at capturing discounts. So this particular supplier here, Blueprints, we did capture the discount, 79.5%. And then Fast Travel, pretty low. ABC Supplies, not bad, around 69%. And then TechMart, only about 5%. We also get back an estimated annual impact. So it says, assuming the current data set represents approximately 1 year of activity, so we would have to make sure that assumption is true, that our current missed savings are about $3,848 per year. So if the company captures 80% of missed savings going forward, then they would save an additional just over $3,000 a year. I'll give it one more prompt for this demonstration. And so I'm asking it, use the same data and give me 5 specific prioritized recommendations to improve early payment discount capture. For each of the recommendations, I want it to include the target, so the supplier or the discount type, the exact process change suggested, the expected annualized ROI, estimated dollar savings impact, and any cash flow considerations. And then this final one, I'm asking it to put it in, present it back to me with clear tables. Okay, so we can see the length of time. So it took just less than 2 minutes. And it did give us back 5 specific prioritized recommendations. For the first 2 bullet points, it is communicating back to us what it is using as certain formulas. In terms of recommendations, we can see that it's actually put them by supplier. So for blueprints, it's asking us to create a dedicated blueprints fast pay queue in your AP system that automatically flags every new blueprints invoice and schedules payment within 15 days of the invoice. So it's recommending automatic early payment if you can do that within your system. It gives us the expected annualized ROI, which is about 24.5%. It's giving us the estimated dollar savings impact. So if you did follow this process and automatically paid these invoices within 15 days, that you would yield $1,856. For the second supplier, so it's noted that there is a 2% discount for paying early, and it is again recommending that we add some sort of automated rule inside our system to ensure that these invoices get paid early to ensure that you grab the maximum amount of discount possible. And again, it provides you with the expected annualized ROI, which is actually very high, and the estimated dollar savings. Now, cash flow considerations, when you start to do early payments, obviously this assumes that your company can endure the additional cash outlay to be able to pay these early. Now for the next supplier, so Techmark, it's noted that there's a 1% discount. And if we jump down here to the next supplier, ABC Supplies, it notes that there's actually quite a bit lower discount on this supplier. So if you do want to pay this early, it does specify that this would be a lower priority flag. And you can see that the ROI that you yield is substantially lower than if you do early payments on some of these other suppliers. So it is helping you prioritize. If you can't do the early payment on all invoices, it's telling you where your greatest opportunities are and with which suppliers. And at the bottom, it's given us a quick summary table of the 5 recommendations. So for each of these suppliers, it's logged what the missed savings are, what the capture rate has been, the expected ROI, and then you can see over here, so cash tie-up. Now, based on which of these recommendations you want to move forward with, it actually tells you right here that implementing just the top 2 recommendations would actually recover an additional $3,280. So for this quick AI demo, you can see that you definitely have to be quite specific with the prompts that you give the AI tool. You can do this in multiple AI tools. I've used Grok. You can use ChatGPT or any of the others. And while you can calculate all of this in Excel, I think once you develop these prompts and you save them for repeated use, you'll find that it actually tends to save you time and you won't have to do that Excel analysis. If you keep your file in the same format, keep your prompts, you can have these tools execute these same prompts on a periodic basis. If this video on AI gave you actionable insights, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Give it a thumbs up or leave a comment with your biggest takeaway or question.